so here we are. We got the 2005 Toyota Prius. We're going to get the oil done. It's going to be real quick. Pop the hood, and then we're going to get it up. There it is. Actually, might be able to do this. So there's the hood. If I go like this. Where is it? Okay. There it is. It's reaching all around in the weird places. Okay, so easy peasy. Get this up. We have this little arm here. And it goes in here. All right. So easy peasy. Figure out where the oil cap is right here. All right, we will take that off real quick, put it up here. It's a weird angle, and I'll get back to you guys in just a minute when we are up in the air. All right, so we got a really good oil deal at the O'Reilly, as they always do every once in a while. We got the Wix filter, the 51394. And then we need the 5W30. It's getting a little over 75,000 miles, so we're going to do the max life. Only needs about 4 quarts, which is good. We got the rack up. As we go under, you can see the drain plug is right here. And the filter, let's see, is right here. Look at that. Super easy, right next to it. And I think that's a Fram. Yeah, I'm gonna get some gloves on and we'll go back real quick. All right, so we're gonna use our trusty dusty 14 mil, and we are going to break this open, get the drain underneath real quick. Should be nice and fun. I mean, you could do this in your driveway, use ramps, use a jack stand, whatever you need to get underneath the car. Super easy. Get this thing loosened just enough to get it out. And then once we have some pressure release, we can try to get this thing off. It's probably going to be cinched on. It's probably been done by Toyota or Jiffy Lube. You never know. We might have to get a oil wrench to get it done. But should be nice and easy. Give me just a moment and I'll get it draining. So of course, whoever did it before was at like a Jiffy Lube or something, and they probably used an impact tool to get it on so it wasn't cinched tight just by hand. Making it more fun for me to get off, but it only took me a few seconds. All right, progress report. Filter is off. We had to use the lovely filter wrench to get it out of there, but that's fine. Filter is sitting in here. Older, I think it is a Fram though. Yeah, look at that, Fram, classic. Not a bad brand, but also cheaper. The wicks are really good. Even the car toys, the O'Reilly's brand is pretty good too. So drain plug is still draining. Got it enough where it's good. I'm gonna put the cap on after I clean it. Always kind of clean it off a little bit. And then we don't need it to be super tight. So we get it. Drain plug looks still really good, intact. Put it in. And you just finger tighten it for now. And then you can clean up around the hole some more. Grab your shop rag, whatever you got going on, t-shirts. Clean it up. Nothing's gonna drip out. And then we have the new filter. Take it out of the box. And if you guys know the trick, sometimes there's a, wow, this is interesting. So we always take a little bit of the new oil or the old oil, whatever you want to do. You lubricate it around the edges. You don't have to put it inside. You just put your finger in the jug. Get that nice seal around the ring. It was definitely some dark oil, and it was ready for a change. All right, so this should be good, just enough to be good. You don't have to put, you know, too much saturation on it. And then, as easy as we took it off, you go in here, make sure that it finds the ring, and then you can pretty much hand tighten it, and you don't have to do anything else. Perfecto. Might do a little bit more after I switch my gloves, but we're gonna get this thing lowered down, put the new oil in, and then she's ready to go. And as simple as that, we'll get her started and you'll see how it runs. See you in a minute. All right, so we're at the final stage here. Got our oil. We only need 4. This is 5 quarts, so we'll have a little extra. There's a little nub on the side here. You can see it as we're going down, little by little. If I can aim the camera correctly. This is nearly 2. Only 1 more. And then I guess we need a little bit more than that. I couldn't find one that was big and, you know, skinny. Takes 4. I'm trying not to do too much more than 4. I mean, 3.5, 3 and 3/4, whatever you want to call it. That's probably good.
About 4 single quarts.
Because we get the deal with the.
Yeah.
We get the deal if we buy the 5 jug, and then we just have a jug that we're sitting in our shop with one.
So after 4 oil changes, all you got to do is buy filter.
Yeah. Exactly, 4 jugs free, you know? All right, we're about 4. A little bit more in here. Should be, look at that, just on the dot. So, we got that. Of course, we save it. Usually if you do it at home, if you have an empty jug, you can put the dirty oil inside the jug and then return it to the O'Reilly AutoZone, wherever you get your parts. I went to O'Reilly. AutoZone usually has really good deals as well for the oil filters and the oil altogether. So, yeah, we're going to button it up. I'm going to turn it on. You let it run for a few minutes, and she should be good. Oil change complete. I did some cuts, but usually it takes about 15 minutes. That's really what put in service. Wow, that's crazy. All the way on 2005. All these notes from way back in 2005. It is 2026. I am so sorry. It is a new year. I almost forgot. But yeah, 2026, guys. Make sure you're checking your filters and oils. I'll also make a video because we're going to be doing her air filter and her cabin air filter, which will be a whole other fiasco. So I'll see you guys in a minute. The button it all up, and yeah. All right, we're done with the oil change. We got the filter cap back on. Put the oil cap back on to the car, the engine. We're gonna get her started. Then we're gonna pull her out of the rack, and that's a wrap. And you've just changed your oil in your 2005 Prius. Pretty simple, 1.5 liter. Pretty good on gas. As they get higher mileage, they're still really good because it's a Toyota. And just take care of your car. It'll take care of you. That's always what I say. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's the end of the video. See you next time.
But it's always